Let's bowl off with some cricket, shall we? Former Vice President of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Neita, says it will be difficult to unseat current President Wilfred Billy Heaven. Neita, who lost the 2019 elections 62 to 37 to Heaven, says while he would support former West Indies all-rounder Nehemiah Perry, who has shown an intention to contest for the presidency, the current president has put plans in place to keep him in the seat until he decides not to seek re-election.
Of the election for the current administration to be dismissed. I think they have strategically put people in place that will support them in the election. Put it that way. And I'm being very blunt about that. So it's going to be very difficult to displace them. However, I'm hoping that there are enough people in the cricket fraternity who will take a good look at the development of our game and see that we have regressed badly during this administration's tenure and make a decision of vote their conscience in the best interest of the game.
Meanwhile, Neita, who was Vice President to Heaven during his second term, says that the current administration is at fault for the poor state of cricket in Jamaica.
Because I really don't feel that this administration has acted in the best interest of cricket, particularly clubs and parishes. I think they have dropped the ball in terms of the development of cricket at the local level. I know the clubs have certainly suffered significantly under this current regime because they have moved to virtually take cricket from clubs and move into this franchise system that has cost us a hell of a lot of money and a lot of work. Cricket has certainly not improved. And so I don't like the policies of this current board, and as such, I certainly would not be open to be part of this current board.
The election for the next president of the JCA is due in 2021.